Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and we're going to start this project off with this sign that I had from Walmart and this oval that I had from Walmart. This oval comes from the craft department at Walmart, and the sign was just a sign that I had gotten, I think, for a gift or something, or maybe I got it on clearance, but it is from Walmart, but you can use any back surface that you want. So the first thing I'm going to do is just paint that all white, and then I'm going to paint the oval white as well. And I ended up doing 2 coats on the sign just to make sure none of that writing came through the back of the scrapbook paper. So once I have that all painted and it's dry, I'm going to Mod Podge this oval, and then I am going to set that aside and let it dry. So I'm just going to put some Mod Podge on here and then let it sit until it's dry. And then I am going to add some Mod Podge to the sign as well. And then I'm going to add this scrapbook paper that I got at Hobby Lobby with these super cute trees on it, and it's black and white. And I just love this scrapbook paper. I think it's so cute. So once I had that all on there, I'm going to sand off the edges. But first I cut the slits for the palette look on the sign. And then I'm just going to sand around all the edges. And then I'm going to take a nail file and I'm going to run that through the slats just to make sure I get the excess paper off and to push the paper down so that you can't see it. And then once that was all done, I'm going to take this napkin that I got at Dollar General. And how awesome is this napkin? I absolutely love it. I just got it yesterday, so it is new and should be coming to a Dollar General near you. Now I'm going to lay that down on top of the oval, put my parchment paper down, and then I'm going to iron the napkin on to the oval. I'm going slow just to make sure that it's really stuck well. And I brought the napkin down to 1 ply. So once I have that all attached, which it attached really well, I'm just going to go around and sand off all of the excess. Make sure that I get all of the edges. And how cute is this? Next, I'm going to take some black paint and I'm going to go around the edge of the oval. I was going to leave it white, but it just didn't look right with the contrast of the paper. So the black looked much better. So I'm just going to go around and do the whole edge. And then I'm going to hot glue that oval right in the center. And of course, I ran out of my glue stick. I'm going to glue that right to the center of the sign. And I love this paper with this napkin. It just looks so perfect. Next, I'm going to take some greenery that I have, and I'm just going to cut off a couple of small pieces. I'm going to put one of these on either side, and then I'm going to cut off a couple pieces of this berry pick that I had. And I wanted to get ones that had the leaves on them, so I'm going to make sure that I pull that one out. And then I'm going to hot glue those up at the top as well. So I'm going to do one of the greenery on each side. And then I'll add the berries next to that. And then I'm just going to run the berry pick right through the glue gun. I'm not going to put the glue on here. I'm just going to run it through like that. And then I am going to make sure that they're stuck well, but I wanted to see where the bow was going to fit. I still want to see the berries, so I kind of moved them around until I could get them to be in view with the bow. So see how I had pulled them to the sides? And then I'm going to add this bow, and I just made this with some green and red ribbon and just tied it together with some twine. And how cute is that? And then I had this little white rusty star, and I'm going to add that right to the center to hide that twine, and that is it for this project. I think this turned out so super cute. I absolutely love this napkin, so be prepared for more projects with that. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.